Hello, my name is Tatiana Adriana Baltag, and I'm originally from Romania. Nice to meet you all. I decided to start this course due to the fact I currently work in this field with 4 years of experience. There are many reasons, but the main thing is that I want to help people, but on a different level. I believe that this course will help me to reach this level through which it is possible to help more the people I work with. I always practice compassion and understanding as I know how important is to the well-being of my patients. I love what I do and I am aware of everything that the job entails, but through this course, I know that I can improve my performance. I'm thinking after finishing this course